The story of this German workshop began in 1989, when the Iranian-British tuner Kourosh Mansouri decided to channel his passion for automotive traditions, craftsmanship, and well-engineered technology into the development of unique modifications based on the British, Italian, and German models. Notably, Mansouri prepared an entirely refreshed portfolio for 2021 and planned to present it at the cancelled Geneva Motor Show. Today we'll attempt to fix this unfortunate turn of events by featuring all these newcomers in one single video. So subscribe to Automotive Territory if you want to be informed about the latest introductions to the cars world. Ring the bell to force YouTube algorithm to notify you about the next episodes. And let's start the engines. Mansouri Cabrera. If you're embarrassed by your measly 770 horsepower Aventador SVJ, Mansouri is ready to offer their helping hand. Named after a breed of the Spanish Fighting Bulls, their Cabrera Complete conversion reimagines the Italian supercar with the new carbon fiber bodywork, specially developed LED headlights, and a fully redesigned interior. The 6.5-liter V12 is also rebuilt, so it now makes 810 horses and 575 pound-feet, improving its 0-60 acceleration to 2.6 seconds. The engine is aided by an updated 4-tailpipe exhaust that both looks menacing and produces the matching deep sound. We should note that the number of Cabrera conversions is strictly limited to 3 units worldwide, which makes it the most exclusive Aventador on the market. Mansouri Continental GT Cabrio V8. Being a Bentley, this Continental convertible is already a hyper-luxury vehicle, but with the Mansouri conversion, it reaches new levels of posh. The first thing that we must mention is the interior treatment with a super cool green finish. Dubbed by Mansouri as Chrome Oxide Green, this color is applied not just to the leather seats, but literally everywhere, including the steering wheel, center console, doors, and floor mats. From the outside, the cabriolet gets a wide body kit, updated bumpers, quad tailpipes, new fixed rear spoiler, and obviously lots of carbon fiber. Plus, the twin-turbocharged V8 is boosted to 640 ponies and 656 pound-feet of torque, allowing to complete 0-60 sprints in mere 3.8 seconds. Mansouri Star Trooper Pickup Edition. Once again, Mansouri's chief executive Kourosh Mansouri is cooperating with couturier Philippe Plein. After successfully completing 2 conversions based on the Mercedes-AMG G-Class, the duo is reuniting to produce a G63 AMG pickup truck. The new Star Trooper did not manage to keep its underhood business untouched, so the AMG 4.0-liter V8 gets larger twin turbochargers, new programmed ECU, and high-performance exhaust. As a result, the engine becomes rather overcrowded, sheltering 850 horses and 738 pound-feet of torque. The appearance is turned upside down as well, with the introduction to the design a complete set of aerodynamic body parts made of carbon fiber. The unique off-roader wears the 50 shades of grey camouflage and rides on high tires wrapped around the YN5 forged wheels. Mansouri Cullinan. Mansouri already offers several modifications for the Cullinan SUV, but this year their range is being joined by 2 new conversions: the Coastline with the turquoise interior and the British Racing Green with the brown leather upholstery. Besides reworking the innards of the SUV, Mansouri focus on the aerodynamic improvements and weight reduction, which involves installation of larger air intakes in the freshly designed front apron. The bonnet is replaced with carbon fiber, and the lift forces on the rear axle are decreased by the installation of an elegant spoiler lip. Additionally, the company dared to mess with the Cullinan's already beastly powertrain, which is a 6.7-liter V12. They boosted the power to 610 horses, while torque received a 36 pound-feet increase to make it flat 700. Have you already made up your mind about the top pick within Mansuri's latest lineup? I would suggest you not to be hasty and review the entire video. More exciting models are yet to come. By the way, now's a great time to hit the like button, and let's proceed. Lamborghini Urus Mansory Venatus. Ever since going on sale in 2018, the Urus has become the favorite platform for custom conversions and tuning projects. Mansory jumped this bandwagon right away and already developed several modifications for the model, including this limited edition Venatus. Carried out in bright blue, the SUV wears lots of carbon fiber elements, out of which the most noticeable are the new hood, roof spoiler, side skirts, and pronounced rear wing. Under the car's hood sits the familiar 4-liter twin-turbo, but it now produces 810 horses and 737 pound-feet. This gives the Venatus a competitive advantage over its stock sibling, with the maximum speed increasing to 188 mph and 0 to 60 time decreasing to 3.3 seconds. The blue color scheme with the green accents continues in the cabin, which also gets new LED lit headliner, new steering wheel, and sound system. Mansory Bentley Flying Spur. After discontinuation of the Mulsanne, the Flying Spur is becoming the new standard within the limousine luxury by Bentley. With the magic from Mansory, though, it also gets a chance to compete on the drag strip. The complete conversion trades nobility for meanness, highlighted with deep black paintwork, 10x22-inch BY5 wheels, and dark carbon that was used to sculpture new front, skirts, and rear. Meanwhile, the engineers department was busy beefing up the 6.0-liter twin-turbo W12. It received a power upgrade, modified ECU unit, and a high-performance exhaust, resulting in 710 horsepower and 738 pound-feet. The new speed heights for the Mansory Flying Spur are 3.6 seconds 0 to 60 and 212.5 miles per hour. The sporty feel is transitioning inside the cabin, where we can find a new leather carbon sports steering wheel, an aluminum sports paddle set, dark carbon inserts, and innovative leather inserts with 3D embossing. Mansory Zero Coal. Based on the top version of the latest Can-Am Maverick X3, the side-by-side is the most unusual build carried out by Mansory this year. Though its overall silhouette is still instantly recognizable, the Zero Coal is heavily revised, featuring more car-like doors, updated windscreen, and a new roofline with 2 additional LED headlights. Plus, this buggy comes clad in carbon fiber bodywork and is painted in exclusive orange colors. In the stock X3, the 900cc Rotax is already charged to 195 horses, but Mansory did not pass on the opportunity to heat it even further. As a result, the 1600-pound two-seater is now good for 225 horsepower. Mansory RS6 Avant. It has been a while since Mansory took on a task of reworking an Audi car, but in 2020, the tuner is adding the second model from the brand to their portfolio. Thanks to the newly added carbon fiber wide body kit, the RS6 Avant looks more menacing than ever, sporting huge quad exhaust tips, front spoiler, massive side skirts, and roof spoiler. The beefed-up looks of the wagon are backed up by the increased output of the 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, which now makes 730 horsepower, 738 pound-feet of torque, cuts the acceleration to 60 time to 3.2 seconds, and maxes out at 190 mph. Finally, the interior was reworked to reflect the orange highlights on the wheels and body, and the seats are wearing Nappa leather and Alcantara. Mercedes-AMG G63 Armored. This year, Mansory decided to delve into a specific segment of protected vehicles. and this Mercedes-AMG G-Class is their first offering in the niche. Protected according to the standard VPAM4 or VPAM7, the armored G63 can stop either a handgun fire or rifle rounds. Only thicker windows will tell the experienced onlooker that you're driving a bulletproof vehicle, which is a courtesy of invisible armor bodywork. Of course, the SUV also gets a custom exterior package, which includes carbon fiber treatment, wide body kit, redesigned bumpers, hood scoop, emergency lighting, and LED bar. In case you would not like to test out your armor's integrity, you can try out running bullets, thanks to the boosted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 that produces either 700 or 800 horsepower and has a peak torque of 701 and 774 pound-feet respectively. Genuine passion and bold approach allow Mansory to create truly unique builds of the already perfect vehicles. What is your opinion about the presented models? Share your preferences in the comments below the video. Subscribe to Automotive Territory, smash the like button, and proceed to exploring 2020 and 2021 lineups by clicking on the icons on the screen. We'll see you later.